Welcome! Today we are diving into the Take an Interview task, a fast-paced challenge that tests your ability to think on your feet. Since there is no preparation time, you must listen intently to the interviewer and provide detailed, natural responses immediately. Let's practice speaking clearly and confidently to maximize your score. And I hope these tips help you master your speaking skills. Don't forget to subscribe to myTOEFL for more expert lessons. Let's keep working together to reach your target score. Student Union Game Room. This interaction takes place in the Student Union Game Room. You should prepare to hear vocabulary related to recreation and campus facilities, such as equipment or membership. A staff member explains the rules and equipment used to a new visitor. We will hear a staff member giving instructions, which means the tone will be informative and authoritative regarding rules and equipment use. Now let's look at the exact sentences you will hear and break down the best strategies to remember and repeat them perfectly. If the console breaks, you must inform the staff member immediately. To remember this, link the condition of the breaks with the urgent action. You must emphasize the word immediately and ensure you clearly pronounce the cox sound in breaks. Table tennis room closes for cleaning at 8:30 every night. Chunk this into the activity and the specific time. Be very precise when saying 8:30 and use a falling intonation on every night to signal the end of the statement. Please do not eat food while using the pool table. Visualize a pool table with a not sign to help the restriction stick in your memory. Make sure to emphasize the word not to clearly convey the rule. You should sign up for the weekly tournament today? Well, focus on the rhythmic phrase, weekly tournament today, as one single unit of information. Pay close attention to the T sounds in tournament to ensure your pronunciation is crisp. Please pick up your equipment at the front desk. Group the phrasal verb pick up together and visualize the front desk as the location. Ensure you clearly articulate the final T in equipment for better clarity. Game controllers must be returned after each use. The word must is the modal of obligation here, so give it strong vocal stress. Be careful to pronounce the plural sin controllers and the "ed" ending in returned. The game room is located in the basement. Connect the words located in so they sound like one smooth movement. Put a clear stress on basement as it is the most important piece of information in the sentence. To excel in the listen and repeat task, focus on capturing the natural rhythm and intonation of the speaker. Don't let minor mistakes distract you. Maintaining your flow and confidence is far more important for your overall score. Keep practicing these chunking techniques to improve your short-term memory and pronunciation clarity.